Premiere Classe Obernai, a cozy retreat in Obernai. Welcome to Premiere Classe Obernai, a charming two-star hotel nestled in the heart of Obernai, France. With its convenient location just 1 kilometer from the city center, this hotel offers a tranquil escape while still being close to all the attractions and amenities that Obernai has to offer. Step into the modern and comfortable ambience of Premiere Classe Obernai, where you will be greeted by a friendly and attentive staff. Check-in begins at 12 p.m., allowing you to settle in and start your adventure in Obernai. The hotel features 69 well-appointed rooms, ensuring a comfortable stay for all guests. Whether you are traveling alone, with a partner, or with your family, there is a room to suit your needs. Premiere Classe Obernai was built in 2016, offering contemporary accommodations that are equipped with all the essential amenities for a pleasant stay. Each room is thoughtfully designed with your comfort in mind, featuring modern furnishings, comfortable beds, and ensuite bathrooms. After a day of exploring the city or attending business meetings, unwind in the cozy ambience of your room and enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. Relax and unwind at Premiere Classe Obernai's entertainment facilities. At Premiere Classe Obernai, guests can enjoy a range of entertainment facilities that are sure to enhance their stay. The hotel boasts a beautiful garden where guests can relax and soak up the peaceful atmosphere. Surrounded by lush greenery, the garden provides the perfect setting for a leisurely stroll or a quiet moment of reflection. Whether you want to unwind with a book or simply enjoy the fresh air, the garden at Premiere Classe Obernai offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. For those who love to immerse themselves in literature, the hotel also features a well-stocked library. Whether you're looking for a thrilling novel to keep you entertained during your stay or a travel guide to help you explore the charming town of Obernai, the library has something for everyone. With comfortable seating and a cozy ambience, it's the ideal spot to curl up with a good book and let your imagination wander. Whether you're a bookworm or simply looking for a quiet corner to relax, the library at Premiere Classe Obernai is a haven for literary enthusiasts. With its tranquil garden and inviting library, Premiere Classe Obernai offers a range of entertainment facilities that cater to guests' relaxation and leisure needs. Whether you prefer to explore the outdoors or lose yourself in the pages of a captivating book, the hotel provides the perfect setting for a memorable and rejuvenating stay. Stay active at Premiere Classe Obernai's indoor pool. Premiere Classe Obernai offers an array of exceptional sports facilities to ensure that guests can stay active and make the most of their stay. Dive into relaxation and rejuvenation at the hotel's indoor pool. Whether you want to swim laps to maintain your fitness routine or simply unwind after a long day of exploring Obernai, the indoor pool provides the perfect oasis. With its inviting, crystal-clear waters and comfortable loungers, you can take a refreshing dip or soak up the sun while enjoying a good book. The indoor pool at Premiere Classe Obernai is designed to cater to all ages and skill levels. Whether you are an experienced swimmer or a beginner, the pool's depth is suitable for everyone. Take advantage of the tranquil ambience and enjoy a leisurely swim in the morning or a relaxing dip in the evening.